I posted a video to my channel in April of 2023 when I purchased my Rhinowalk saddlebags. And so I thought I would do a quick how have they aged video to show you the wear and tear, particularly because I have one saddlebag that I ride with every day. It's been on the bike since the moment I bought it. I never take it off the bike. And then I have the other saddlebag here on the table that I've only used when I've gone on trips. So I might have used it maybe 3 or 4 times. So effectively, we can now see a saddlebag that's daily used since 2023 and a saddlebag that is rarely used since 2023. If you remember why I bought these saddlebags, the reason was that my previous saddlebags were an over-the-seat saddlebag, and the straps that came across the seat started to discolor the white trim on the seat, and I was not very happy with that. Here's what that looked like in 2023. Part of that project was then re-envisioning my saddlebags and not initially putting back on the Viking bags, which have an over-the-seat mounting system, because the over-the-seat mounting system was discoloring the white trim on my seat. I actually liked the white trim on the seat. And so I thought, okay, I don't really want over-the-seat saddlebags. So what I'd like to have is some sort of side mount for my saddlebags, and then get some saddlebags that will clip onto the side mount. So I installed these 2 saddlebag holders, and then I got the Rhinowalk saddlebags because they had a clip-on mechanism on the top there. So, but that was a little refresh as to how we got here and why I bought the Rhino saddlebags. So let's look a little bit at how they've aged. So the first thing I will show you is, this is the one that's hardly been used, and you'll see it has a nice straight back. I don't know what's in here. I suspect it's probably like a cardboard. It doesn't feel like it's wood. So whatever the item is in the back that firms up the back of the saddlebag, I think it's probably a cardboard. On the saddlebags that are on the bike, you can see it's curved, right? It's no longer straight. You know, this would have to get pulled back. I've actually thought over the years of maybe I should cut open the back of the saddlebags and replace whatever is back there with a small piece of wood to try to give it a little bit more stiffness. I think it would behave better if it was stiffer. I think if it was straight, it would help a little bit with how the saddlebag sits on the mounting bracket. The other thing you'll note is the saddlebag has a tendency to sag, the one that I use daily. So I have to constantly check it to make sure that it's not riding right on top of that exhaust pipe. And so I wish the saddlebag, I think it's mostly the straps. You can see at the top how the straps have sort of pulled with the weight of things that I carry on a regular basis. So I tend to have to constantly tighten up the saddlebag, but as you can see from the saddlebag right now, there's not a lot of play between where the hook is and where the top of the bag is. So I'm sort of getting to the point where there's not a lot more play I can take out of it. I mean, I can pull it up to about here, and that's about the maximum I can take out of the bag. And that is enough to get it to clear the pipe. But, you know, if it sags any further, I'm not going to be able to get the clearance I want. And at that point, I probably will have to replace the saddlebag. I think I said it when I first bought these. The one thing that I really like is this zippered waterproof insert on the inside of the Rhinowalk saddlebags. This is a really large capacity. Like I said, I can hold a full bag of groceries in here. It always stays here, but it does keep everything dry. I've never had an instance where water has gotten onto something that I've kept in the saddlebag. That's not true for the front pouch. The front pouch has no waterproof lining to it, so anything that is in here will get wet if you're going out in a pouring rainstorm. Okay, so the first summary is these saddlebags really hold up well. This one saddlebag has been on the bike every day since I bought it. I do not even take it off for cleaning, so you can see it's kind of grungy underneath. But the material, after 3 years, it hasn't cracked because of sunlight or heat. It you know, it's holding up really well. The clips are still solid, and for these elastic bands, they're also still solid. The elastic bands that have not held up well, are the elastic bands for here. These elastic bands have lost all their elasticity, and so I can no longer put the extra strap length in through the elastic band. It'll just come out immediately, which is why I have to tie it off, generally speaking. But that's the only place where these saddlebags have really aged, is those elastic bands. If you look at the one that I never ride with, right, this elastic band is still tight. It goes down tight around the strap, and so I don't know what you could replace these with on your saddlebags. If you have any good ideas about what you could use as a better sort of way of securing the loose end of your straps, let me know, because I do have to do something on the bag that I ride with regularly, because it's just there's nothing that can hold the strap in place, and because I have to cinch up the straps as tight as I have to keep the saddlebag from rubbing on the exhaust pipe. The extra length of strap is quite long, and it is long enough, I think, that it could hit the rear wheel or get tangled in the chain if I didn't secure it in some way. I have thought about just cutting the strap and shortening it so that it will be less liable to get caught in the wheel or the chain. And I still might go that route. But if you have a good idea for what you could replace these cloth holders with, let me know. Okay, on the back side, we'll try to put them in the same orientation. I mean, obviously, the bag that's been on the back of the bike daily is filthy. The one that has only been on the bike twice looks like it's brand new. And I mean, everything about the saddlebag has continued to work. The clips work. You know, like I said, I mean, you can tell, I mean, even though this saddlebag has never been removed or never cleaned, the material is still solid. It's not tearing or anything. You can see the stress along here from, how this has bent. So how the material back here has bent over the time has created a little bit of stress on the stitching along the side, and there's some wrinkles, and the same over on this side. On the one that's mostly new, I mean, this is how it should look. And so, yeah, I mean, the only thing that hasn't held up well over the 3 years is the fact that this is not sitting on wood in the back. It's sitting on some cardboard or something. So I hope this review helps. I think the Rhinowalk bags are really solid. But I think for the money I paid for these bags, they've really been excellent. And so there you have it. Hopefully this helps in your decision when looking for saddlebags for your Triumph. I'll post the size of the bags and the description. I'm sure Rhinowalk has moved on to a newer model for these bags. So I'll try to get you the description for what these were at the time they were purchased. Again, I'm sure it's in my original video, but I'll try to make sure that that's in this updated video. Thanks for watching.